Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Few hours to 2026. I'm very excited, and I'm sure the same applies to you. You are very excited. This video was shot few hours before 2026. I am ready for 2026. I don't know how ready are you for 2026. Me, I'm just about to leave the house. I want to go and join the fellow Kenyans out there, and also the entire world. I know everyone is very excited for the new year. Everyone is out. Families are out. Yeah, so I don't want to miss this moment. I don't want to just stay in the house and then I just wait for 11:59 hours just in the house. No, that's not gonna happen to me. So me, I'm just about to leave the house. In Nairobi. I just wanna leave this place, this house, go and accompany or join my friends, so that we can go to Nairobi town or Nairobi city, the capital city of Kenya, and then we will be heading to Upper Hill. Our destination is UAP building, the third tallest building in Nairobi after Britam Tower and the GTC Tower. So UAP, Old Mutual Tower, it's our destination. 163 meters high. The fireworks, it's gonna be spectacular. It's gonna be amazing. 2025, when we were ushering in 2025, I remember I was just in the house. I did not go out. I just came out of the house and I went outside the gate. Also the neighbors around, they also did so. But this time around, no, I'm not gonna stay in the house. Mimi, I'm getting out of this place. I wanna go and experience fireworks out there. Stay tuned, guys. I will capture the best moments of fireworks that will be taking place as we usher in 2026. More blessings, guys. See you at Upper Hill UAP building. See you soon, guys. It's rush hour, guys. People are rushing towards to the venue where they are going to usher in the new year. Especially people are looking forward to places where there are crazy fireworks. The same applies to us. We are heading to Old Mutual, the third tallest building, 163 meters high. The time now is 10:58. So see you guys there at Old Mutual for fireworks experience. And sorry about you cannot see me very well because of the darkness in the car, but it is what it is. Enjoy the view. GTC ikikotua hapa mbele. This building with X3 series. Hey, angalia. Warm up. Wow! That's a warm up. That's a chunga. That's a warm up. Now this is GTC. Now these people, they want to convince others not to go to the other lane. Unaona watu mahali they are parking their cars. So GTC, it's crazy. Hey, look at those people. Haki ya nani? Sasa hapa unajua watu hadi wameamua kupark magari tu. GTC is going to be a crazy fireworks on top of this building. This is the second tallest building. Or currently it is the first. I don't know. Anyway, guys, this crazy traffic. We have not yet reached to our destination, so it's very crazy. So, but we keep trying. Chunga. Chunga utse. Umeona hiyo warm up? GTC is going to be crazy. Lakini hapa hill kuko na view poa ya 360. It's better. So our two, they are making a turn kwenda hapo.